for that. Okay. When we start any program, Python one thread beings running immediately, which is called main thread, which is called main thread of that program created by PVM. PVM is Python Virtual Machine. The main thread is created automatically when your program is started. You do not main thread created, but by default created PVM. So first of all, the main thread is created automatically when your program is started. Okay. So how to check? How to check it? So first of all, import threading, because threading is a classes. Okay. First of all, you check it. So first of all, check it your threading. Threading is your class. Import your class. So if I say first of all, yeah. So first of all, import import threading threading import the threading यानी कि import the class. I am checking now first, but this is not watch कि how to start main. When we start main thread, first of all start only main thread after the your Python programs. So how to check? So import threading. Threading, if say call the threading dot current thread current current thread thread. This is current thread. This is a function. Threading, this is a classes, but inside a class assign a functions. Okay, to call dot means current object dot, that is if you want a thread is a class, threading is a class, multiple functions, uh, one and more than 100 200 500, I don't know how many functions define these classes, but threading is a classes. But I know the current thread this function inside this class, but I say call. So dot threading dot means active all functions. Dot means active all functions. And if you want, if you know what is a function, so current name, your thread current thread name, and call the function dot get name, because you want to name what is a name. So get name and print main thread. So show na main thread. So this is a main thread, because if you want to print hello, hello, so hello is a print. But first of all, this thread main thread are run after the run this code hello. So got it? What is means? When we start any Python program, one thread beings running immediately, which is called main thread of that program created by PVM, Python Virtual Machine. The main thread is created automatically when your program is start. So your program will be start. So this is print hello. So start beforeing the create main thread. So got it? How to create main thread, how to run, how to show, how to name what is a main thread. You got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Which machine created? Python program created by machine PVM, Python Virtual Machine. Okay. So output, this is main thread. Okay. Creating a thread. Creating a thread. Okay. How to create? Thread class of threading module is used to create threads. Threading class. This is threading class. Okay. So threading module is used to create threads to create our thread, we need to create an object of thread class. Okay. Following are the ways of creating threads. First off, how following ways, two types of ways to create a threads. Creating a thread without using a class. First of all, second is creating a thread by creating a child class to thread class. Okay. So first of creating a thread without using a class. So first of all, from threading import. From threading means this is class name, import thread. This is a function name. Okay. Thread object equal to thread, target of function name, arguments, how many argument pass in this function. Thread object, it is represent our threads. Thread object, this is thread object because thread functions return a one argument, one object. So assign this object. This is called thread object. It is represent our thread. Okay. Target, it represent target. This is target. Okay. What is target? Target, it is represent the functions on which the thread will act. What is the actual your function? What is a defined actual your function? So definitions of your function in target. Arguments, it represents a tuple of arguments which are passed to the function. Okay. So how we define this argument? So only tuples, not any no list, no set, only tuples arguments. Example, t equal to thread target dot disk argument 10 and 20. So how to start thread? So first of all, create a functions. So sorry, create a threads. So how to create? Show my window. Yeah. So from threading this class and import this thread, yani thread functions. Def inside the from inside the def functions, this is def keywords to create a dysfunction. What it print thread running, creating thread class object. So t equal to thread target disk. Disk means disk functions, how to call. So target these functions. Target first of all, which if you create, because this is a multiple process, multiple threads are running. But if you want which thread are you running first of all, so decide your target. Okay, starting threads, t dot start, because start is your mandatory. So target t of dev this function, this is print creating thread class object t, and thread, this is target your this function, and start t dot start this function, this is call this function and call this and call this function and call this import threads. So this is so thread running. So this is called thread running. First of all, this function. If I say not decide this target, so what we should? This is no error because you do not define which target. What is the first of all, which running are your threads. So first of all, targets is decide the first of all your function. So got it fair, Krishna? How to create or which types of first of all your threads? Fayaz?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I did not understand this one.
Did not understand?
Yeah.
Krishna? Krishna,
After sir,
you don't understand?
no,
Krishna, understand or
not,
do not don't understand this code?
not sir.
Hello, yeah?
Hello, sir. Not clearly understand, sir.
Not clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, first of all, so create a thread without using a class. Okay. But you understand na कि how to access how to create मतलब main thread. What is a main thread? Running this code, running first of all any Python program to running only main thread. First of all main thread. After the execution this code. So first of all this is examples. Main example this import threading current. If you print hello, hello just execute, but this is a behind a one main thread call. So this is main thread call behind this code. So import, how to access, how to watch, how to see your main thread. So import threading dot current thread dot get name and calling the main thread. So create a main thread. Got it? Not got it?
Yes, sir. Got it. This.
Yeah. See, but I want to create a thread. This is a general knowledge purpose. This is general purpose. Okay, how to, what is a main thread actually behind this code? Behind this code, first of all, running main thread. After this, running this hello print any Python code. So first of all, automatically create and automatically run your main thread. But I say creating a thread. How to create a thread? So thread class of threading module. Thread class of threading module. Threading means this is a module name. This is a module name. From threading, this is a module name. Import thread functions. Thread function. So module is used to create threads. How to create threads? Thread class of threading module is used to create threads. To create our own thread, we need to create an object of thread class. Means if you define the threads, if you want create a thread, but after the create threads, to create our thread, we need to create an object of threads. So following are the ways of creating threads. How many ways? Two ways to create a threads. First of all, creating a thread without using a class. Second of creating a threads by creating a child class to the thread class. First of all, creating a thread without using a class. So first of all, creating a thread without using a class. So how to create? From threading this is class, import thread function. Got it? Thread object means thread. This is thread. Thread, this is a function, target function, and name, target function name, and argument, how many argument pass in this function. Okay. So thread object, it represent our thread. Thread object, this is thread object. To it represent our thread. So represent means definitions. What is actually work of threads? So defined only thread objects. Target means it represents the functions on which the thread will act. Target means this function actually work. What is actually work? Your threads. So define this target. Arguments, this is args. Argument means it represents a tuple of arguments which are passed to the functions. So how many arguments passed to 10, 20, A, B? How many arguments are passed this arguments? So example, T equal to thread target disk argument 1020. Target, this is function, this is function name, arguments, how many argument passed, 10 and 20. So this is function. So how to create? From threading import threads. Okay. Def this is keyword to create a function. This to function create and print thread running inside a function thread running. Creating thread class object. Thread class object creating. So thread, this is thread. Okay. Target means which function to call. This function, this call. And t this is object. Object means this is the object. Target object, thread object. What is the thread object? This is thread object t equal to thread target. This is a function, and t means your thread object to start. Start is a function. To how to start means start this function. So run this code and call this thread running. First of thread running. If say do not define target means which function, because multiple process or multiple thread are running, but which you want first of all, which type of, which one first of all call threads. So define this target. If I say do not define this, so you don't know, machine do not know which type, which threads are running first of all. So this is empty. This is empty because multiple functions are running. So which functions of, so this target, this means this is this function thread running, and this code thread running code. So got it? Not got it?
Yeah, sir, got it now.
2 times repeat, na? Okay. Krishna,
Got it, sir.
Sovik.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, yeah. So what actually work? This is I will show this. Okay. So how to start threads? So this is thread. How to start? Once a crate is created, it should be started by calling start methods. So start method is, this is start methods. Only calling. If you want to create a thread, so only this is function to find these functions where we start. If you not start, if say so program not executed, because this is first of all a start function. So create thread. So go through this code and start function is running. So thread is running. That means once a thread is created, it should be started by calling start methods. Okay. From threading, class import threads. Def disp a comma b, print thread running a comma b, thread target arguments 10 plus 2, 10 comma 2, and from threading a comma b, argument passed 3 4 starts. So this is okay. This is different how to run. This is not argument, but I say define the arguments. So how to call? Yeah. 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 This is a function, and a comma b, pass the argument and print thread running a comma b. Okay, and 10 and 20s. So start this function. So thread running 10,20. That means yeah, yeah. How many argument pass in this code? So if I say 3 ABC, but do not define calling ABC, so what is the output? Error, because you define 3 but calling 2, so this is not true. If I say 3, so call 3 and call 3. This is what is the error? Error this self target start self argument dot stochastic self keywords. This function missing one required positional argument of C. What is actually this is positional argument. This is formal argument and this is a actual argument. Okay. If I run this code, so this is thread is running. Ten and 20. After second is creating a thread by creating a child class to thread class. This is important. Okay. Creating a thread by creating a child class to thread class. So creating a thread by creating a child class to thread class. So we can create our own thread child class by inheriting thread class from threading module. Okay. Class child class name thread. Okay. Statements thread object child class name. This is a function. This is a class. This is a class and create a one object thread objects. Example class my threads pass t equal to my threads. So this is a I will say define this code. So from threading import threads, import thread. So class my thread and thread this object. My class this is thread is create object pass means to pass the value, pass the, because this is not statement, so with, without statement create, so this is that is create only pass functions. And t my threads dot my thread this class and call the function and dot t dot name. So t dot name means thread 1. My thread this is a first class and inherit the second class, this is thread 1. If you create multiple threads, if you want to create multiple thread, this is the main topic, this is only web development, this is not actually, but this is a mandate purpose for this. If you want to create bug tools, all of you your diploma na ethical hacking diploma fair penetration
Yes, sir.
testing. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Diploma.
Okay, so diploma. So this is I see tomorrow, I see yesterday this code, your bug tools to find networking. So this is threading and file handling. This is multiple tools are using. So this is not a depth only, but general knowledge purpose. So this is upper, though not depth. In the not depth this classes, and not depth your technologies, not depth in your ethical hacking, penetration testing. Python is not depth, but only you understand this code, only visualization. You understand this code and to create your what is an array, what is a list, what is an object, how to create object, how to define functions, to create function, call the function. If you want to create multiple bugs. So how to one by one extract iterative statements, so for loop, while loop, if else. This is the main concept. But if you create 10 bugs tools, if you find one by one, so this is multi-process task. So different process to different thread, learning different threads. So create class and to create threads and different authenticates. Okay, yes,
Yeah, sir. Okay.
yeah. So thread class methods. Thread class methods. So this is main thread classes methods. But what is thread class method? Start. What is start? Because start every time is start. Because this is a start function. What is actually start? So start. Once a thread is created, it should be started by calling start methods. Okay. If you created threads but you do not create start, so you do not run this code without start methods. Run method, every thread will run this method. When thread is started, we can override this method and write our own code as a body of the method, as a thread will terminate automatically when it comes out of the run methods. Means every thread will run is method when thread is started. So every thread will run, every thread is run. If you want to create multiple threads, so every thread will run this method when thread is started. Okay? We can override this method and write our codes as a body of the methods. So multiple functions are created and same name of function. So this is override this method and write our own code as a body of this method. Means two functions are same, but so pvm, python virtual machine, do not decide what is actually first priority of threads. So override this code, but a thread will terminate automatically when this comes out of the run methods. So a thread will terminate automatically. Third is join. This method is used to wait till the thread completely execute the run method. Join, this method is used to wait till the thread completely. Means one thread one thread is running, but you not 100% completely. So execute the run method. So run method is actually what you work. Start. Run method means this is a main function. Run is function. So first of any function name. So from threading, import thread, class my thread, def run is function, self print run method, my thread start. Run, this is not an actual function. This is not predefined function. Run any function name. So this is run function. This function, any function name. So run method are run. This is run method. Okay, any function, first of function of all. Second is join.